Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Charger front bumper. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so begin by carefully lifting the front of your Charger and securing it with sturdy jack stands. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe start to your bumper replacement. Now, let's get to removing the old bumper. You'll need to locate and remove all the fasteners that hold the bumper to the fender liners and the grille area. Take your time and be thorough. Next, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights or parking sensors. These are often clipped in, so a gentle touch is key. Once all fasteners and wires are free, you can carefully pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle. With the old bumper off, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new bumper cover with the vehicle's mounting points, making sure it sits flush. Reconnect all the electrical harnesses for your fog lights and any sensors, ensuring they click securely into place. Finally, reinsert all the original fasteners, tightening them to ensure the bumper is securely attached and fits snugly against the body. Double-check all connections for a professional finish. You're almost done. Take a moment to thoroughly inspect your work. Ensure all connections are secure and the new bumper is perfectly aligned with the rest of your Charger's body. Reconnect the negative terminal of your battery and test all your lights and any sensors to confirm they are functioning correctly. For an easy way to keep your garage or home clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your refreshed Dodge Charger.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.